The 2002 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, keyless entry, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.